Whether you call it Lagos Island Market or Balogun Market or even Idumota Market, you are referring to the biggest and busiest market in Lagos, Nigeria. A market so big it has no particular address as it spans across many streets on the island. This market is renowned for a lot of things, one of which is that it is super crowded. No matter what time or day, it is always jam-packed, and trust me, you can literally break a leg trying to navigate the market. Hey there, my name is Atufelidia Sarah, ALS for short. I am a Nigerian travel and lifestyle content creator. Today, I am taking you on a walk through the Balogun market. Basically, I will be showing you what the market looks like on a daily basis. If you will like some tips and tricks on how to shop in the market, if you want to know where to go to buy stuffs at wholesale prices, irrespective of whether you are buying in bulk or not, if you also want contact of vendors that you can call or WhatsApp to place orders for shoes, bags, clothes, lace, jewelries and accessories, materials, human hair, wigs, you name it, then today is your lucky day. Hallelujah, somebody. I previously filmed 2 videos on my channel that cover these and more. The links are in the description. You are welcome. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and do leave me a comment even if it's just to say hi.
That's just like I can fly that Call it for what? Call it for what? Call it for what to be full.
This is my base, what's up?
Yeah, Pala, Makara.
Balenciaga.
Sorry. Mama, carry now.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching to the end. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and give this video a thumbs up. I mean, if you are still watching at this point, that means you definitely loved the content. So please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me a comment. I reply to all of my comments. So drop a comment in the comment section, even if it's just to say hi. Thank you so much once again for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye for now.